I'm gonna show you what you need for make the famous dish. It is called Khao Soi Gai. It's very famous in northern area of Thailand. Okay, here what we have. We have chicken. It's a chicken breast. I cut them like this big. Okay. Next, what you need: salt. There's curry powder. This is the brand that I use, curry powder. And this one is Khao Soi curry paste. Khao Soi curry paste. And this is the one that I use. Fish sauce. Fish sauce. And this is the fish sauce I use. This one is coconut sugar. You can use different sugar. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, or palm sugar. I use coconut sugar. In Thai cooking, originally they use palm sugar or coconut sugar, especially when they make curry. Okay, and then we have noodle. When you cook noodle, you will cook noodle as you cook pasta. You can use any noodle that it is yellow color. In Thailand, we call bami. This one, the dry. This is the one that dry, and we have the fresh one. The fresh yellow noodle is made from egg, but this one is made from the flour. But it's called bami. Then for bami noodle, we have many different kind of bami. Then you can use different, don't have to be the same, the one I use. And you also can use pasta. And for cook them, they will have to cook the same you cook your pasta. Okay, and noodle have to be cooked before the class. Okay, then next we have water. We have coconut milk. This is the coconut milk I use. Okay, and over here, this have to already prepare before the class. We eat them with khao soi, the one that already cooked. We not cook them. But I have the video for making the hot chili oil and how to deep fry the egg noodle. I have the clip for you. And this is all what we need. The chili oil, the hot chili oil, the deep fry noodle. This is coriander and green onion chopped. And we need lime, and we need the pickle, the vegetable pickle. This is the one I use. Okay, and the last thing we need is shallot. Okay, for this pickle vegetable, you can use the one that pickle is similar to cabbage. Anything similar cabbage, you can use them. The one that have leaf, the pickle, then don't have to be the same, the one I use. Okay, this is all what we need for make Khao Soi Gai. We'll see you guys in the class.